Congratulations, you have created your Google Analytics 4 account. And you have now the measurement ID. Let's go start to create our Google Tag Manager to make our life easier. Honestly, from my experience, I don't prefer the coding or manual adding. So I love to add it by Google Ad Manager. From here, you will take this measurement ID, copy, and go to the analytics, go to this, and then click on Google Tag Manager. Here, you have to start. Click and get started. Create account. Now we are here in Google Tag Manager. So we have to create a new tag. Click here and you have to give it a name. Like for me, I will give it a name Z1. And then you have to add configuration, analytics, tag, okay. Your tag ID here, save, add trigger, same, review all pages, and save. So here we go. We created. And now we have it already done. So overview, we got it.